ISO certifications are essential for carpentry and joinery timber manufacturing companies, ensuring product quality, operational efficiency, and compliance with international standards. These certifications help businesses improve safety, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. For businesses in the timber industry, several ISO standards are highly beneficial. ISO 9001 Quality Management System ensures consistent product quality and customer satisfaction. ISO 14001 Environmental Management System helps manage environmental impact and promote sustainability. ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety focuses on workplace safety and reducing risks. ISO 26000 Social Responsibility guides ethical and sustainable business practices. ISO 50001 Energy Management System helps optimize energy use and reduce costs. ISO 28000 Supply Chain Security Management ensures secure and efficient supply chain operations. ISO 19650 Building Information Modeling (BIM) enhances digital construction and timber design collaboration. ISO 38200 Chain of Custody of Wood and Wood-Based Products verifies responsible sourcing of timber materials. ISO 7010 Safety Signage standardizes safety signs in manufacturing facilities. ISO 17025 Testing and Calibration Laboratories ensures accuracy in material testing and quality control. By adopting these standards, timber manufacturing businesses can enhance efficiency, reduce waste, and meet industry compliance requirements. Pacific Certification specializes in auditing and certifying carpentry and joinery timber manufacturing companies. Our expert auditors provide gap analysis to identify compliance areas, pre-certification assessments to ensure readiness, and comprehensive audits for seamless certification. We work closely with businesses to streamline the certification process and ensure long-term compliance. Enhance your business credibility and efficiency with ISO certification. Contact Pacific Certifications today to begin your certification journey. Let's build a stronger, certified future together.